Alright, in this question we've been asked to generate a random number between 0 and 25, and that's going to represent the radius of a circle. And then we're going to use that number to print out the area. And this program needs to continue forever until the area that's generated is larger than 1200, and then it will stop. Okay, so this is a conditional loop that we need to use here. So I'm going to generate the random number. So we need the random library. Okay, so I'm going to generate an infinite loop in this question. And then I'm going to generate the random number. I'm going to calculate the area. All right. And then I'm going to check if it's bigger than 1200, and if so, then stop or break out of that infinite loop. Okay. So my radius, the number represents the radius, let's call it r. So it's random.randint between 0 and, probably should be between 1 and 25. It doesn't make sense to have a radius of 0. Calculating the area. So area equals just pi times r squared. We can print out that area. So let's say a circle of radius r. Has an area of area. Okay. So this particular program will print out the area even if it is bigger than 1200. I mean, you suppose you could stop it before it equaled 12. But if it got bigger than 1200, then you wouldn't print out that area, but then you'd have to put this inside the loop. But it doesn't matter for this particular question. So if our area is bigger than or equal to 1200, I want to stop my loop. Okay, and let's see what's going. Oops, forgot the colon. Okay, oh, so first time stopped because I had an area bigger than 1200. Okay, next time I run the program, right, it keeps going. Right, got an area bigger than 1200, so it stops. Right, and I can test that program several times to see it working exactly as we would expect.